out to our online open house. Due to COVID, the experience is going to be online. I invite you to visit our website to discover new videos, new products, and online chat. You can also visit our Facebook page for very exclusive content. For the very first time, there will be a very nice seminar from Proctor coming out in the next few weeks, and there will also be the very first CDL magazine. So hopefully you had a very good season. I hope to see you soon in person. Don't hesitate to ask your local dealers or sales representative for anything you may need. Stay safe and see you soon.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.